Hello, my name is Lisa, Styles by Lisa, and welcome to my curl channel. Today I'm going to be sharing how I did a natural cut and finger coil combo wash and go on my new client. Most of my days at the salon is dedicated on helping new clients to embrace their natural textures. I see so many people that come in and, that have questions about, what products they need to use or can use, and why their hair is dry and how their hair can be healthier. And I'm really happy that more and more people are embracing their natural textures, and I'm happy to be able to help them to see how beautiful and healthy their hair can be. It's been quite a while since my client has been to a salon, and she basically has been trying to manage her own hair herself. Most of the time when I get new clients, I'll usually recommend a protein treatment and a trim or natural shaping, which usually makes a dramatic difference in how the hair feels. She's got our protein treatment, we've trimmed those dead ends off, and now we're ready to define her curls. Her hair feels so much better. Look how great it looks. And I'm going to use our Moist Restore Leave-In Conditioner, our Curl Foaming Mousse, and our Extra Curls for her hair today. And on wet hair, I'm applying about a quarter size of our Moist Restore Leave-In conditioner and distributing it through her hair. And then I'm applying about a quarter size of our Curl Foaming Mousse and distributing it on top of it. And then I am going to take smaller sections, about 2-inch sections, and apply our extra curls. And you can watch this process, making sure to keep the hair wet. Each of these products serves a purpose. The Moist Restore is a leave-in conditioner that adds a coating of moisture and conditioning protection. The Curl Foaming Mousse is what I call the cushion cream, which adds a cushion layer onto the hair that adds additional moisture so that when you use either the curl sauce or the extra curls, you have curl definition that is still moist but has control and definition without being crunchy. You can use our Moist Restore Leave-In Conditioner as a daily product to restore your natural curls. It adds moisture and shine, and you can use it with water or without, and it works excellent. You can also use our Curl Foaming Mousse to refresh your curls as well. Each of these products work excellent. They're basically work with water that penetrates into the hair and helps to keep the hair moisturized with shine and definition. And each of these products can be easily refreshed. I know some people may ask, or sometimes you may come across a time where you may have some flaking possibly, and if you do, you could always just add water to it and it will go away, because the products are not heavy products, but they do need to absorb into the hair shaft. And if the porosity of the hair isn't even, then some of the products may not dry completely And so that's when you might see like a little dusting of maybe flakes, but most always you can just add water and the products will resurface and you'll be able to get rid of it. And so twisting her hair up at the top because I want it to be a little bit more fuller, and her curls are a little looser up at the top, so I'm just taking really fine small pieces and coiling it, giving it a full stacked look up at the top. I wanted the top to have volume, and so I'm taking really small pieces and I'm twirling them with my fingers, and it's giving it great definition. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I will answer them. And after I finish curling her hair, I'm going to sit her under the dryer until dry. And this is an easy style to maintain. You want to sleep with a silk or satin bonnet, and you really don't have to put much on it. If so, you can put a little bit of the our gloss and just dampen it a little with the gloss for shine. As well, you can use our Moist Restore leave-in. She wanted to make sure that she would be able to work out with this hairstyle, and I assured her that she would be able to work out with no problem and it would hold up. All right, I am done. And so this is how it looks, and this is the finish. And it looks great. And I thank you for tuning in to my channel. And if you have any questions, again, please feel free to leave me a message. Thank you for watching.